Hello everyone, welcome back to Jacqs Scraps. Thank you for joining me today. I am Jackie and I have my August design team project to share with you from Calico Collage, and it is using Autumn Breeze digital kit. And what I've done this time, I have created another shape journal, and I've actually deconstructed the digital kit because I wanted to show you that you can use them more than just creating journals out of them as they come. I have taken the pages, done a lot of fussy cutting, and used those throughout this journal. So let's get started here. So on the front of the cover here, I have used fabric to create like a little mushroom house. And so all of this on top is fabric. I've done some sewing, and I have added some leaves to the bottom to make it look like foliage, in front of the home. We have a little gem here for the doorknob, and I have used some rings to bind it with. On the back side, I've used the opposite side of this fabric to line the back and sewn all of this on as well. The journal measures about 6 inches across when using the furthest point by 5 3/8. Okay, so let's go inside. Now the way I've constructed this is I've used scrapbook paper to be the base of most of the pages, and then I've used the digital kit for the decorating pages and journaling cards. So on the back of the cover here, we have a pocket. I've added some gems here, and inside we have a tag with a charm that says "Made with Love." And the story begins, and there is a foiled tree here. And on the back side, I left it blank. You could add a photo on the back there if you wanted. On this page here, I did some layering from the digital kit. You'll see that throughout. And here is one of the cards that I've backed on handmade paper and added a little tab and gemstone there. And this is the handmade paper. I left it blank. You could actually write on here or add a photo if you wanted. On the back of this page, I created a belly band, added some leaves here, and then created a little booklet. It actually stays in the belly band by this piece of ribbon that I've added. And I just created this with some scrap paper. This is an image from the kit. The way I added it was on 3 sides so that you could actually have some secret papers here in the pocket to do some journaling there. And this is a little tuck spot. And this cute little tag. Look how little it is. So this is a nice little booklet for journaling. And it just tucks right in there. Here's our next page. Lots of layering. I added some felt leaves to this and a dimensional butterfly. This tag here, this is an image from the kit that I cut out. I added this little tag as well. This is from the kit, this image, and I added some more handmade paper on the back side of that, as well as the tag itself. And this tucks in here underneath the butterfly's wing. There is Wink of Stella throughout as well, mainly on the pumpkins and the sunflowers there. Hope you can see that. On the back of that page, I created a spot where you could add a photo. These are all little acorns here with some leaves and gems. Added a little cluster here, and you can actually tuck down into this if you like. It says Autumn Memories. So you could put something in there if you wanted to. On this side, I created a side pocket that holds 3 photo images here. I will include the cutout part so you can cut down your photo to fit nicely in here. This is images from the kit on all the back of them. This one has a little leaf. They're all like Instagram or Polaroid type frames. This cute little squirrel on this mushroom is made dimensional with foam. Here is our next page. I added these transparent or translucent acorns here at the bottom. This is a little pocket, and I just added this Falling for Autumn, which is from the kit. It just slips right in there. And then this is like a 3-pocket design. So there's a pocket here. This is from the kit. And that slips right in there. And then this back here is another pocket. An image from the kit. Nice little journaling spots. Or for adding photos, whatever you like. Here's our next page. I created this like little booklet, and this great mechanism I created to keep it closed. It's like an M with some collaging here with some ribbon leaves. So these 2 are little pockets. That's where I had this at to keep it closed. And this opens up. And you can actually write on the sides here if you wanted to. There's lines. So I've taken image sheets from the kit, shrunk them down to fit here. Here's one of the journaling cards. And then another one I added as a tag in the back with this cute little deer. And you see this is like, a little pocket. It has a little cutout so you can easily get that back in there. And then these can just close up. You put this arm in first, and then you push this one back in the other side. Okay, and on the side of this is another tag. This image is from the kit with a little ribbon leaf. And what I did was I added a tab here so that you could see where the pocket is underneath it. And this is made out of handmade paper. Now I think this is my favorite page. It's so cute. I came up with this design. I added some felt leaves around here, made these buckets. I cut them out of my Cricut, and then I made them dimensional so that they could hold these 4 pieces of coffee dyed paper for journaling spots. And I won't open one of these, but I have an extra one here that I can show you. And when you open it up, it actually is the pattern of the mushroom. So you just fold the sides in, and this top gets folded into the bottom, so you fold that up and into it, just like that. So it's like a little parcel, which I thought was kind of cute for fall. I could kind of see that, so there's that. On this page, I did a lot of dimensional work here. We have the fox here as the base, and then I did some layering, if you can see that, on foam of the mushroom and pumpkin. This is layered up, and then I have some intertwined here. This is a dimensional butterfly, and for this one, all I did was just added this cute little tag, and so it goes inside between the flowers. Just like a little spot. Really pretty. These are all elements from the kit except for the tag and the butterfly. Now this is the only page that is made from the kit pages. I cut into the mushroom shape and made it into a pocket. So added some gems here, some Wink of Stella. Again, I hope you can see that. It's really pretty. And these are all journaling spots from the kit that I created. I have handmade paper on the back. Wink of Stella on this one. And this is a coffee dyed paper on the back of that one. And here are these little pieces that I had left over with the writing lines on them. Thought these would be great to journal on, and they have coffee dyed paper on the back of those. This kit was really fun to work with when creating it, something totally different out of what it was. So I had fun creating this mushroom journal. So on this page, I created this, like, it looks like the roof of a mushroom, and it actually is a tuck spot if you wanted to put something under there. I didn't, but you certainly could. And I created this like little door that goes into the mushroom home, you know, like the Smurfs, if you're familiar with the Smurfs. So this little ribbon comes undone. I used a Tim Holtz brad here, so it opens the door, and this is all journaling spots with coffee dyed paper. Really cute. I love the way this turned out. And we can just close this here by wrapping the ribbon back around it like that. Really cute. So on this page, I wanted to do something a little different, so I added this pull-out photo spot. So here is the base of the page. This is really cute with mushrooms that are layered and some fall leaf there. This image is from the kit as well, the owl there, which I put Wink of Stella on. So here you could add 3 photos, and if you flip this down, then you could add 2 more. And then of course I decorated the front of that with some Wink of Stella, some gems there, and included this leaf paper clip that keeps it closed. And then on the back of that, here is a cute little tag, half tag I would say. This is handmade paper on the back, but this is an image from the kit, and that just tucks right back there. And this is the back cover inside, and I did some layering of the pumpkins and sunflowers there, and up here I added just a little bit of lace beneath it, some gems here. And this is a side belly band, and this holds a little like policy envelope. This is from the kit. I just shrunk it. And then I added this tag from the kit that says Happy Autumn, and handmade paper on the back of that. I added some fabric here so you could pull it out. And then it just tucks up underneath here. So this is my August design team project by Calico Collage. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I did in creating it. Thanks so much, everyone.